Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Your friends, your family, anybody you care about on earth is doing well too. So today I'm bringing you on like an interesting video. I was like thinking what materials I can use to help you guys decide and use my own stuff that I have already at home. One of the questions that are like asked frequently is uh, what is the best mic, how I make my sound looks clear, natural and stuff. So when it comes to recording or streaming or like content creating content on YouTube, one of the most crucial steps is to have a good mic, a very decent one. So today I have two mics and I want to do a small comparison between them. The first one is the HyperX Cloud 2 microphone, and the second one is the BM800 microphone. Both are like, there's a huge difference when it comes to the price. For me, the HyperX Cloud 2 headset, the sound that coming from the headset is amazing sound. But when it comes to the mic, it's actually a bit, I don't know, like it's not natural. Doesn't sound natural. It sounds like you are talking from a radio or something. So yeah, I wanted to do a comparison between them, and the price of the HyperX Cloud 2 varies between like 60 to 60 euros, around 55, depends on sales and where you live. And for the BM800, it costs only like 15, I don't know, $15, $16, not sure. I bought it like a while ago. So I've been using the HyperX Cloud 2 for a while before starting my YouTube channel, and then when I bought the BM800, I switched to it. So yeah, when I switched to it, I liked the sound. I felt like it sounded more natural. So this is the why I did this test, is because to compare both of the mics and to give you an idea, guys, of what you need, because some people have a limited budget and they want to jump into streaming and recording, and what matters to me is to help people, and I like to help people a lot. So I think someday this video will be beneficial. I don't know if there's already a video that already exists, compare both of these mics or not. So talking about people that have limited budget, they can have a very very good microphone. I mean, it's insanely good. And this is the one that I'm using while talking right now. So they can really decide, and they can really have a great product for like a good price. So yeah, I will leave you now with the comparison between the two. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye. So this is the first test for the HyperX Cloud 2 microphone. We're gonna try different things like loud sound, like hello, hello, test, 1 1 2. Uh, this is what, like, when somebody's like, he's bred, if there's a cancellation. Um, if for example somebody's breathing, does it cancel it? Does it like sound soft? Like beep 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 test. I don't know, this is funny, but like I just want to give you different tests to have enough ideas how this mic sounds like. P P ha ah. Okay, so I think it's enough for this test. It sounds great, but I feel like it doesn't sound 100% natural. I will move to the next microphone and we're gonna try it out. Stay tuned. It's moving to the next microphone. This is how the BM800 sounds like. So that's how it sounds when I'm loud. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, when I'm close to the mic. When I'm a little bit far. Hey, can you still hear me? Hey, hello. Hope you are doing well. So, in my opinion, this microphone sounds a lot more natural. I don't know. It's so clear. So the reason why I did this is because, as I said, some people have limited budget and they want a microphone that sounds great. In my opinion, this one is so good. So yeah, now you have an idea. Both, like, if you want like great sound, the headset, the HyperX Clouds 2 are amazing when it comes to the sound. The microphone, they are alright. They are very decent in my opinion, but like I prefer this mic. I usually use it on most of my recording video, like all my videos, not only most of them. Like I guess 99% of my videos are recorded with the BM800. So yeah, let's try something different test, like the breath. Um, one two one two. So yeah, you can compare both. Thank you. So this is the test. Thank you so much again for watching, and stay tuned. Bye bye.